we are kung saan tayo magstay. We're staying at Pueblo de la Ia. And it's a bed and it's an Airbnb off my good friend from theater, Diana Alferez. And I'll feature here kung gaano kaganda yung place niya, so you can visit it also. Ito na, sa entrance tayo. It's very near sa highway. Meron lang pababang konti, but then it's almost here. Dito na yung gate. We're approaching the gate. Nagkatabi siyang private property. So I'll see you in our next vlog, and I'll feature Pueblo de la Ia. Ciao. Medyo rough road lang itong papasok, pero I'm sure this is going to be worth it.
Turn right, then keep left.
Ciao. There we go. There's Pueblo de la Ia. I-guide tayo nung guard kung saan yung unit. Ganito yung mga different units here. I'll post here kung saan yung pwedeng kontakin si Diana for inquiries. I think this is the place. Yeah, it's here sa right. Carilis Little House, Block 6, Lot 12. Salamat! So ayun ang pwesto ni Uno. And napagkasya natin dito. Ouch! Dalawang basket, dalawang maleta, isang bike, folding bike. Then yung plants natin nandun. And this is the house. Carilis Little House, residential house, rental. So let's tour around. Meron siya dito parang supposedly lanay or something, but then may shower, outdoor shower, para yung galing sa beach. 4 minutes lang daw walking distance yung beach from here. So this is the front of the house. Ayan. Ayan yung parking. Ayan, may mga caretakers. This is the lot. It's a loft type house. There's mga neighbors. So kung gusto mahilig ka mag-plants, and in fact, I'm leaving some of my plants here for Diana. And so let's go inside. Yan. Meron silang pull out bed. And then my TV. That's it. Malamig because they have aircon and then fan. They opened it. And then in kitchen nila, they just remodeled it. Yan, may naka-ready ng gas range. Yan yung mga utensils. They have cupboards here. They have kettle, rice cooker. That's a table. They have ref here. And then double lock yata ito. I think outside. Check na lang natin. Sorry naman. And then may CR na din dito sa baba. Yan. Which is the shower room. And then ito yung bedroom nila, since it's a loft type, so it can pwede yung kasya ang 2, 4, 6 hanggang 8 na tao. May mga mattresses pa sila sa baba. And okay na rin. It's beautiful. They have a website. or Facebook page. Just look for Carilis Lil House and you may contact them. And look for Diana Alferez. Check natin ito. Yun. Hindi siya nabubuksan. So I guess naka-permanent lock siya. Cute ng shower nila outside. So magbuba na tayo ng gamit. Ciao, ciao. Thank you. There's gas station here, RZ, then yung 7-Eleven nandun. Tapos ito yung Andox. And there's Sinsay Kamuna Shalom Food House. Kaya meron silang halo-halo, goto, tsaka gotong Batangas na masarap. Ay, 24 hours kayo, no? This is the Sinsay Kashalom. Meron daw dito. May red doors pala dito. Tapos na Adventure Park. Meron din convenience store dito. And then yung 7-Eleven. Tapos sila Adventure Park. Ay yung La Playa Pit Stop. Ito may Agovida. And there's the mountain. So this is an exciting adventure for us. Something new talaga. 70 daw yung ganito. Kasama na yung lalagyan. Tapos paparefill na lang natin. And this is the 7-Eleven. Yeah, doon meron din Mangrove, Casalyana, Caravana, Manor, Aroma, Kabayan, Paseo Verde, Palace. Siguro doon yung papuntang beach area. Kasi nandun yung Laia White Cove. There. Dito yung plants natin. Bisitahin nga natin. Oh, magdidilig tayo. I took a nap kanina. Sarap naman. Wow. It's 5 PM. Medyo pa sunset na rin. Ay, may ibang nandito pala. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery ng konti. Psst! Uno! Come here! Psst! Isa! Uno! Psst! Come here! Alo na alo siya. Ang dami niyang natatakbuhan. Come here na. Ang tahimik ng place. So, mag-jog dito sa morning for sure. We tried yung Dula Barangay Hugon Beach Resorts. So this area hindi pa fully developed yung iba. Harapan pa din this area. Pero dito, makikita mo yung mga other beach houses and beach resorts. Tapos, balik na muna tayo. Kasi, wala na dito masyado. Yung Blue Coral kanina. So balik na tayo dun sa ating area. 7 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes away, walking distance from our place. We'll go there soon. Love dinner here sa Sinsay Kamuna siya lang. Food house. Specialty daw nila yung beef caldereta and then bulalo. It's a nipa hut and then they have chami, lomi. Yan yun inside natin. Just beside Andox. And there's Elotell's Papa. To 9 PM on weekends. Ako yung yung Gotong Batangas, ano nga laman nun? Saan ba yan? Ay, walang picture.
Meron.
Yun ano? Ito yung lomi naman. Ano mas masarap? Parehas lang. Ito yung goto. Ayan, binuksan nila ilaw mo lang. Ang cute naman nila yun. Ayan o. Diba, it's a food house. Ang ganda. I'll try the Gotong Batangas bilang nandito tayo sa Batangas. Tapos ito ng klase na day. Ayan. Rubber trees. Trying the leche flan also. Sarap din yung leche flan nila. Jim's trying there. Pork chop. This is our Gotong Batangas. And then it's cooking pork chop. Let's eat. Chop.
Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Please subscribe.
Mainit. Parang bulalo na rin siya pala. Tapos mag-garlic.
We still have a lot of adventures here in Laia, so watch for it.
Sarap, malasa. Pati doon yung pork chop ng JM. Dami.
This is your Kuya Al saying goodbye, and I'll see you on our next vlog. Thank you.
Simot sarap. Pati yung sizzling. JM. And this one is wait for our next vlog.